Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW E46 M3 front bumper. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Next, open the hood and remove the top trim clips and screws securing the bumper. Pull back the inner fender liners to access hidden bolts. Disconnect fog lights and sensors carefully, then remove lower splash panel screws. Finally, have a friend support the bumper and unclip it from the sides. Start by removing the upper grille and top bumper fasteners to release the top edge. Move to each wheel well and fold back the inner fender liner to access side bolts and clips. Remove the lower splash panel screws under the bumper to free the bottom edge. Carefully unplug fog light and sensor connectors, then get a helper to support the bumper while you unclip the sides and lift the bumper straight off the mounts. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical car videos. Quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for garages and workshop floors. With voice control, it even knows when to avoid your toolbox, and it cleans up metal shavings like a pro. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When reinstalling, loosely fit the bumper first to check alignment and sensor placement. Use labeled fasteners to ensure every clip and bolt returns to its original hole. Replace any damaged tabs or clips with new parts to ensure a secure fit. Reconnect fog lights and sensors, then tighten fasteners gradually while checking panel gaps. Finally, close the hood and test all lights and sensors to confirm proper function and fitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.